Hello, my name is Ms. Hernandez. I am the School Counseling Director at Rippon Middle School. Welcome to a brand new year. Hola, mi nombre es la señora Hernández. Yo soy la directora de consejeros en la escuela de Rippon. Bienvenidos a un nuevo año escolar y los vamos a ver muy pronto. We will see you very soon.
Hi, Rippon Raiders. My name is Miss Rapkovich, and I am part of the counseling team here at Rippon. And I'm looking forward to meeting all of you online and hopefully in person very soon. I hope you guys are enjoying the last days before school. Take care.
Hey Raiders, my name's Miss Arnsberg. I am one of the 5 school counselors in the building, and I can't wait to get to know you guys this year. So good luck and have a great year.
Raiders, this is Miss Osei, one of the 7th grade counselors. I look forward to meeting each and every single one of you this school year. I hope you had a great summer, and I will see you soon.
Hey Raiders, I'm Mr. Davison. I am the 8th grade school counselor at Rippon. I'm really looking forward to meeting everybody this year, and I hope that everyone is staying safe and doing well.
Good morning. My name is Victoria Solians, and I'm the school social worker at Rippon Middle School. This school year for 2021, I look forward to working with you to assist you on your social and emotional well-being and to support you in any areas of need. Take care. Look forward to working with you.
Hi, Rippon students. This is Juanita Williamson, the speech therapist. One of the speech therapists that will be working with some of you this year. Have a good year. I'll see you soon.
Hi Raiders, my name is Douglas Herrick. I am the Security and Safety Specialist for Rippon Middle School. You can find me most days in the hallways, bus duty, cafeteria. I look forward this year to meeting and getting to know all of you, and I wish you all a great year and best wishes.
Hello, I am Miss Martin, the Instructional Technology Coach here at Rippon Middle School. This is the beginning of my 4th year here at Rippon. I am excited to start this virtual school year. The thing I am most excited about is that everyone is really going to learn how to use technology this school year. So I look forward to helping you out and seeing you in our virtual schoolhouse. See you guys soon.
Hi, my name is Anjana Patel and I'm a special education teacher assistant at Rippon. I'm looking forward to seeing you all.
Hi, my name is Mrs. Santos and I work with Ms. Fowles in the Special Education Department.
Hi, I'm Mrs. Gish, one of your school librarians. This year, I'm looking forward to sharing some of the new books that we got in last spring with you guys at Curbside Pickup. Can't wait.
Hi everybody, I'm Miss Ingalls. I'm one of your librarians. I work with all grades and all students. I'm so excited to meet you this year and to work with all of you. Have a good day.
Hello, Rippon Middle School. This is Tracy Hannigan with Prince William County Department of Parks, Recreation, and Tourism. We know that things are not normal right now, and it's been difficult, but we have been working closely with Prince William County Schools and the National Coalition of 100 Black Women to prepare for a mental health grant, which we're excited to partner with. Parks and Recreation and Tourism is going to be doing 2 sessions. One is on stress management, how to help yourself. We're going to be teaching the kids how to do yoga, meditation, how to help themselves when things are stressful, and we know things have been stressful. The other module we're going to be teaching is on well-being, how to help take care of your overall mental health, physical, spirit, and that's important. So we want people to get outdoors, get some fresh air, and help themselves, whether it's at school or at home. So we look forward to seeing you soon. Take care of yourself. Remember, we're Prince William Strong, and we love you.